Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you a first look at Samsung One UI 6.0 Android 14 updates that are coming soon to Samsung Galaxy phones. What can we expect from this update? Let's find out. According to the Samsung, the One UI 6.0 Android 14 update will bring many new features and improvement to Galaxy phones. The update will be available for many devices that are up to 3 years old, including the Galaxy S23 Ultra and later in Galaxy Z series, A series and many more. The update will also include the August 2023 security patch that fixes vulnerabilities and bugs. Some of the new features that are coming with One UI 6.0 Android 14 update include a new design for lock screen and notification panel, improved performance and battery life, and new camera features like Magic Eraser and Object Eraser. The update will also be introduce new privacy and security features like private share and secure folder. One UI 6.0 update will also bring improvement to Samsung's own apps like Samsung Internet, Samsung Health and Samsung Pay. The update will also include new widgets, themes and wallpapers that you can customize to your liking. Samsung has launched its own UI beta program every year, and the beta program allows users to try out the new features and improvements before the official release of the update. So what we can expect from the One UI 6.0 update? Well, we can expect a faster, smoother and more secure experience on our Galaxy phones. We can also expect new features that take advantage of large screens on our phones, as well as improve to Samsung's own apps. That's all we know about the Samsung UI 6.0 Android 14 update so far. Stay tuned for more updates and rumors in the coming months. Thanks for watching this first look video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tech reviews. Also, let me know what you think of the One UI 6.0 Android 14 updates in the comments below. See you in